Everybody, Mark's Home Hobbies. Get a little track update here. Did a little bit of work to the track. Sorry for the washing machine noise in the background. Yep. And I put up a wall over there, and put up a little obstacle over here so that when the lead car comes, it forces them into the drift lane. I put some temporary little check marks there, qualifying marks. I installed some grass. Yeah, and now I got red stripes going around the edge there, and yeah, a fair job, I guess. A $20 grass mat from Lowe's, not to mention anybody for money or anything, but that's where I got it from. And I just damp mopped the whole track there, so if it looks a little bit gnarly over here, that's why. I just got through damp mopping it. Yeah, everything looks good. I got a little turnout over there, can be used either way. I'm going to take those pieces of tape off and redo the track lines to the outside there, so that creates a little diversion. You can go either way, I guess. Either way is probably just as hard. I won't know until I really race this track. This is my new track design, and the wall should help there, keep people from like me from cheating. And I'm going to put up another wall over here to the outside, because that there is a couch with a mattress on the top of it, which I'm going to be getting rid of. So I'm going to put up a giant wall from all the way over from that wall, and it's going to come all the way almost here to this obstacle right here, this lane merging obstacle. Yeah, so you can see, the lead and the chase starts right there, and then the lead car has until that dot, or the chase car has until the lead car hits that dot to wait, and then the lead car will have to avoid this obstacle and come in the lane with the chase car in order to come down in through here. Now that little mark right there, that is not a registration mark or a check mark or anything. That is just where the tile is lifted a little bit, and I have to fix that area, so that's just a temporary marker. I'm also going to make some dots to go in these corners over here. I'm going to make them on 3D printer. I got a couple spots where I probably will put a dot. Maybe over there by the island I'll put a couple of dots there just to make things interesting. And I think I'll make a bumper for right here, because when you're coming out of the chute here, if you lose control, you could hit the side of that wall there and hurt yourself. But I think other than that, we're pretty good. I got a little pass through right there, just in case somebody needs a little exit point or decide to have some different kind of racing going on, road race or something like that. I don't know. I just decided to do it. But yeah, so I think it's shaping up into a nice little track. So if anybody's in Southeast Michigan, Warren area, Metro Detroit, and you feel like coming over and practicing your 128 drifting, feel free to contact me on YouTube. Just leave a comment, and I'll be happy to respond to you, and you can come on over to my cave down here and come on over and drift. Okay, so that's a little update. Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies, and see you in the next one.